Welcome, this is Mr. Hyatt, and this is the walkthrough for the Coulomb's Law lab that you're going to be doing while I'm out today. So the first thing we need is this program called Logger Pro. If you don't have it, check in your Launchpad first to see if you do have it. If you don't, go up to the top of the screen and you should see a black and gold flame. When you click that, you want to click on Install Software. Then it'll bring up this menu that has several things that you can load onto your MacBooks. And we're looking for Logger Pro 3. That's this one right here. And you'll just click Install. Excuse me. So once that happens, you'll then launch it and follow the prompts to get it to open up. And this is where we'll operate most of the lab today. So this software interacts with our vernier probes, so all the stuff that we've done with the interfaces we'll be able to feed directly into our computers now and save us some time graphing and hopefully save us some time with data analysis as well. I did want to talk through in the procedure, step 2 talks about enabling video analysis by clicking on the button in the lower right corner. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I got ahead of myself. So I need to insert the movie first. So I'm going to go to Insert, Movie. Then I need to make sure that I'm in Logger Pro, Experiments, and then I'm looking for Advanced Physics Beyond Mechanics. So it should be the third one down. And I'm going to choose Coulomb.mp4. I'll click Open. So now that video editing button is down here. What did they call it? Video analysis. So then you'll be able to follow the rest of the procedure from there. So one thing I wanted to mention, don't worry about doing the extension questions at the end. So once you get through the evaluation of data, that number 8, that should be where you stop for the day. And then make sure you save digital copies so we can save our work. Make sure you save it and save it with the name of the lab. So save the project as something like Coulomb's Law .b Hyatt. Obviously use your name, not my name, but if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me messages through Canvas. I'm at a conference today, so I should be able to access my my email or Canvas and respond to you. I'll do my best to monitor it throughout the class period. So if you finish early, or if something terrible happens and the lab blows up and we can't get anything meaningful out of it, spend time looking at AP Classroom. I've made sure that that's open and ready for you. So good luck. Let me know if you have questions.